घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी, मैं तेरा बादल पिया। जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी।
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look I created. This is inspired by ALIA'S look from Kalank, and this is not one particular look. This is what she has been doing since Kalank's promotions have started and in Kalank as well. So this is a very different technique that I used because I thought that her makeup artist might have used this technique because this is like a very ongoing trending technique, you know. So to know that you have to keep on watching, and also I have used mostly affordable products and maybe you guys already have them. So please tell me in the comment section below how do you feel about this video, and also if you're new here, please subscribe and yeah, hit the bell icon and let's get started.
गाइस, सो आज मैं एक टेक्निक यूज़ करने वाली हूँ जो मैं बहुत पहले करती थी जब मुझे मेकअप करना नहीं आता था एग्जैक्टली, बट अभी दिस हैज़ टर्न्ड आउट टू बी सच अ प्रो टेक्निक. आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई यूज टू डू इट. सो आज हम वही करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव यूज दिस स्मैशबॉक्स प्राइमर वाटर बिकॉज आई एम अ ड्राई स्किन बेबी एंड आई नीड सम हाइड्रेशन. देन आई हैव यूज सम लिप बाम ऑफ कोर्स फॉर मॉइस्चराइजेशन. एंड एज अ प्राइमर आज मैंने यूज़ किया है मास्टर प्राइम फ्रॉम मेबेलिन, एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट मैंने ये लगाया. बहुत ही अच्छा प्राइमर, आई रियली लाइक इट. बहुत सॉफ्ट है स्किन पे. सो मैं लगा रही हूँ यूजुअल एरियाज पे, एंड देन आई विल मूव ऑन टू सम स्ट्रोब क्रीम. So this is my strobe cream. This is from MAC in the shade Pink Lights. I always buy the mini. You guys know why, and if you don't, then you can comment. I will definitely tell you why I don't buy the full size. So this is a very beautiful product and I love using it. Look at that glow that it gives. It's not chunky, and I love the fact that you can use it without applying any foundation on your face, which most of the strobe creams you cannot do with. And ALIA'S glow is beautiful. Her skin looks so natural. I will show you definitely how she does it, or how her makeup artist does it basically. And this is my assumption, but yeah, you can get similar looks. And yes, that was my ringtone. So as you saw, strobe cream ke baad I straight away went with a concealer and not a foundation. Okay, so this is what you gotta do. You gotta use a concealer. Remember, if you guys have watched Malvika's recent video, then you might have known it. And also Tati did it recently with, I think, Beyonce's makeup artist. Oh my god, I forgot who's makeup artist, but yeah, this was almost the same technique. So this is the Wet n Wild concealer. This is freaking amazing. Okay, and this is so cheap. This is beautiful. So as you can see, I have applied the concealer quite heavily than usually what I do. So I'm just blending it now. I have covered all the areas that are dark, and around my mouth I have a little bit of pigmentation or a little bit of darkness, so I have like applied it there as well. So I'm just now going to blend it really nicely with my Real Technique sponge. And I legit used to do this when I did not know how to do my makeup, guys, and I'm so happy that this is actually a technique, because here you are allowed to make mistakes and then correct it, because ultimately it looks flawless. And this is how the skin looks now. So the cream contour for the day is this one, and I always do this. I'll always hold my products ulta. I don't know why. So now the contouring starts. I'll be quite heavy with this. You can see it now. I will insert many clips so that it's really easy for you to understand. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just mapping it out, and I like to raise the contour a bit higher than actually when you measure your cheekbones. It's not, I don't think it's the right way, because if you do it a little bit higher, it looks really beautiful in pictures and in person as well. And just don't be scared. Do not think that how the hell am I going to blend it out. You can really do it, and it's really easy. So for blending it out, I'm gonna take this dense brush. This brush is actually from Amazon, and it works pretty well with cream products. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going and blending it away. Yeah, so blending the forehead, then the cheeks, just normal blending basically. And then I'll be going all ham for my jawline contour, and this looks so good, guys. And you can see that I'm not at all being precise with blending. I'm just blending it. I'm not really seeing where the edges are or anything like that. So now comes the part where I have used this brightening concealer from Miss Claire, and this was an optional part, but since I was recreating Alia Bhatt's look, so I had to do it because her face is really highlighted, not with a highlighter but of course a brightening concealer or maybe a brightening color corrector. And basically I'm just using them on the places where light hits directly to your face, so that's the usual areas, and here you will see me correcting the line. It's like reverse contouring with a cream contour, and there I said it wrong, it's not a cream contour, it's a cream concealer. And here I'm blending everything out using my sponge again. So after all of this, this is how the skin looks. It's so glowy without even using any like highlighter. So now I'm taking the foundation, and here you can see that I took the foundation and then I'm stippling it in some other place to just get rid of any excess product. And now I'm going to apply it firstly on the edges where I have applied my contour, so that it gets blended and it looks like a one thing, and you cannot really see where I have contoured or bronzed or concealed. So, and also you can see that I haven't taken any product as of now. So yeah, so after applying it, after stripping it on my skin, I'm just going in this circular motion to just combine everything, and then the excess foundation that was there, I just dragged it on my hand. So you can see how much of product did I use. It was like so less. So now I am taking this powder, and this is from Fit Me. This is the best I could think of while doing this one because this is so airy and lightweight. So I'm just taking a very little amount of powder and making sure I don't have any creases, and I'm going to use it on the places I have used my concealer, or else this is going to crease, obviously, because we have so much of cream product going on. So I'm not using this like completely ham on like I use normally, like I'm not baking my skin. So now I'm going to take this palette and take the bronzing shade. This is the Master Contour palette, one of my most favorite palettes actually. This is so good, and I'm just bronzing my skin very slightly, like really taking a very little amount of product and then just sweeping it across my face and not forgetting the jawline, and now doing the nose contouring as well. So for my brows, I took this precisely my brow pencil. As you can see, I haven't been doing any sort of brow plucking or tweezing because I want them to grow completely. So they're a bit of mess now, but once I fill them in, it's going to look full. Actually, Alia Bhatt does not pluck her brows. You can really see that in any of her pictures. So I'm taking this palette from Wet n Wild. I am not sure about the name, but I'll definitely link it down in the description box below, and I'm just using those two shades very slightly on my eyelids because all the time she has this peach theme going on. I cannot speak today. So she has this peach theme going on all the time, so I just use those two shades. You can actually skip eyeshadow, but then I'm taking this colossal kajal and I'm applying it on my eyes. Now taking this graffiti pop palette from Maybelline, I'm going to smoke out my upper and lower lash line. So what I did is I did not take any black shade. This is actually a very deep blackish plum shade. You can use a deep brown, a black, whatever you want. I just wanted to use this because it just gives a very beautiful definition. So after I apply this, I'm just going to use my fingers to smudge it, and it really makes a difference. It makes it look really natural. So this blush is called MELOW, and this is again from Wet n Wild. So guys, aren't these products really affordable? I won't say cheap, but yeah, they are affordable. So now taking this eyelash curler and mascara. This is the Big Shot mascara, and the eyelash curler is from PAC. I got it recently, and I'm using this Big Shot mascara. You have to try this mascara. This is so good. And so this is how my lashes look. I did not use any false lashes for this look because Alia did not really have it. She might have gone for single lashes, but I did not use anything. So this is one of my most favorite highlighters. This is Precious Petals from Wet n Wild, and I'm using the tiniest amount possible only on the highest point of my face. I'm not dragging it whatsoever. So I'm using it under my eyebrows and on little bit on my chin and a little bit of it on the eyelid as well to just make the look more cohesive, and also on my inner corners. Then for the lipstick, I went in with this. Let me tell, I removed the lip balm. So I used this lip liner called Cotton Pink. This is a very nude shade, and I really like this one. And I love the lip balm as well. This is a Miss Claire lipstick in the shade number 13, and this is a very pretty shade. And I'm using a bindi, and here the look is complete. Now comes the hair. So I am taking this tail comb, just separating, like making a middle partition, and I'm going to take two front sections like really carefully so that my forehead does not look really bad. So I'm just doing this thing. I'm making sure there's enough hair on my forehead to make my face look nice, like forehead looks smaller maybe. So I took like very little strands out, and I wore this top which matches one of her kurtas that she wore, and this viola earring. This is so good. See, again I took that ulta. So yeah, this is the one, and I made this face because it was khali and I had to really look for the earring. And here I got them. These were really cheap. I got it for 400 rupees where the MRP was 1700, so great deal. And that's the complete look.
किसी के ना रहेंगे।
So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Whatever trick you saw, it is a very easy makeup tutorial. I think don't get scared because I reversed everything, because it's actually really easy. You get time to mess up. Just mess up your contour. Do not worry about anything because your foundation is going to fix it. So yeah, do try this, and if you try it, do let me know. And also, if you want me to recreate any other celebrities look, then all you need to do is DM me on Instagram. The link is down in the description box. So yeah, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for staying for so long, and see you next time. Bye bye.